Do you have the clarity, the willingness? Do you have the gumption? Do you have the momentum? That's even a better word. Do you have the momentum to not care what somebody else thinks about what you're doing? Ooh, if you could get there, if you could just get there. Practice these words with us. I don't care. It's just how I am. I like it this way. Life is so fun for me. I don't care. I'm sorry you're upset, but I don't care. I want your world to be really good, but I don't care. I would like everything to go well for you, but I can't fix it, and so I don't care. Well, I want a divorce then, if you don't care. I don't care. What do you mean you don't care? Well, I don't mean I don't care about anything, because there are a lot of things I do care about. I care about feeling good, and I care about clarity. I care about being in the receptive mode. I care about being an uplifter. I care about presenting all of myself in any moment in time. I care about being of value. I care about feeling good. I care about this magnificent environment. I care about what's in my vortex. I care about what's in your vortex. I care about everything that you desire. I care about all good things coming to me and to you. I care about us all living happily ever after. But what I don't care about are conditions I cannot control. What I don't care about are things that take me out of my alignment. What I don't care about, meaning I have no momentum about it anymore. I don't care. It's not a hook for me. It's not a knee-jerk response to me. I've trained myself to care about what infuses me, not what diffuses me. I care about what lifts me, not what lowers me. I care about what feels good, not about what doesn't feel good. I care about alignment. I care about being an extension of source. I care about fulfilling my reason for being here. I care about being in this world and not necessarily only of this world. I care about the whole of me being present in this moment. I care about all who have gone before me and all that they've come to know and all that they do now know and all that they are now presenting to me. I care about the revelation that's constantly coming to me, and I care about being in the receptive mode of that. I care about being on the leading edge. I care about contributing in positive ways. I care about feeling good, and I care about others feeling good. But what I don't care about is that I can't control. And what I can't control is everything that is conditional, and what I can control is everything that is unconditional. I can control the way I feel. I've practiced it. I can hold a steady vibration. I can stay in vibrational sync with who I am. I can present the whole of myself in this time, space, or reality in any situation. I can walk into a situation that is raging in discomfort, and because I haven't cared about it, I'm not hooked into it. And because I'm not hooked into it, I am in vibrational alignment with the solution they are all seeking. They're all bound up in the problem, but I don't care about the problem. I'm in alignment with the solution. So I can walk into any environment, no matter what's going on, guns going off, people jumping off cliffs. It doesn't matter what sort of things are going on, because I don't care about that. I'm not vibrationally aligned with that. And because I'm not vibrationally aligned with that, I'm not part of that point of attraction. I'm part of the solution, not part of the problem. I care about that. So I can walk into any environment, steady in the vibrational alignment with all that I've lived. Steady with what's in my vortex, in alignment with what's in my vortex, walking above the fray, in complete alignment and alliance with all that is good, knowing what to do and what to say and where to go and when to be. In other words, tuned in, tapped in, turned on, embracing life. That's what I care about. I care about what feels good, and I do not allow myself to care about what feels bad. Because in the unconscious sifting of the environment, what doesn't feel good causes me to launch something that does, and that's what I care about. I don't care about the problems. I care about the solutions. That's what I align with. I don't care about the struggles. I care about the flow, and that's what I'm in alignment with. I care about feeling good. I don't care about feeling bad. I care about feeling good. I care about fulfilling my reason for being. And my reason for being is simple and singular. I care about feeling good. Because you see, Source within you feels so good. And you know how you can tell how good Source feels? By how bad you feel. Because if Source wasn't feeling really, really good about the exact thing you're focused upon, you couldn't feel bad. If Source felt just like you feel, you'd feel wonderful. So when you feel bad, no matter what the subject, it always means you have diverged from the way Source feels about that subject. You can love this guy without living with him.
I do.
And you gotta, because Source does. And if you don't, then you're using him as your excuse to cut yourself off from Source.
Yeah. When you're in that situation, so for example, sometimes in the morning I'll wake up.
In what situation?
A situation where you're off.
Oh, we don't care about that.
Okay. So just be okay with where you're at.
We don't care. You see, the reason you feel a struggle is because you get into a vibration where you can't hear what Source feels.
Can I just say that, like, even if I'm feeling mad or something, can I just say, you know what? I don't care.
I give up.
I give up.
I give up the struggle.
I like that.
I give
Okay.
up. I give up.
Okay.
It's pointless. It's like someone handing you a 500-ton boulder and saying, take it over there, please. And you say, I don't really care about that. You better not care about it, because you're not going to carry it over there. But if you really need it to be over there, and you focus upon what you want and why you want it, a way to get it over there will be revealed to you. But right now, it better not matter so much that you've got to pick it up and carry it over there. You see what we're getting at?
Yeah. I just lastly wanted to say I adore Esther. I think she's one of my superheroes, and I love you, Abraham, so thank you very, very much.
We are all in this together, aren't we?
Yeah.
We are all in this together. Really good conversation.